So I picked up this RinseKit device at Costco, and it's actually been very handy for gardening. I thought it was going to be mostly for something I'd put in the car and take with me to clean Jethro off before he gets back into the car. But it is proving to be very useful for watering. It's just a battery operated water pump with a sprayer. Probably should turn it off. Like a little portable water pump. That's pretty handy. Costco RinseKit. And Jethro likes the water from it too. But he really just wants the ball. All right, one more. And we're going to bed.